Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Lakme Lumi Cream, which is very popular in the beauty community. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use this Lakme Lumi Cream for a radiant and glowing finish. At the end of this video, I'm also going to share some tips and tricks to tell you how to use this Lakme Lumi Cream for the best results on dry as well as oily skin. So stay tuned with me in this video till the end. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing by pressing that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so that you get all the latest notification whenever I post a video. If you are here for the first time today, then let me introduce myself. I am Shubha and you're watching Peppy Sage. Here we create a lot of content on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. If you like these kind of content and you like spending time with me, then please be a part of my community. The Lakme Lumi Cream is a highlighting cream that's designed to give your skin a luminous, dewy finish. It contains light reflecting particles that help to blur imperfections and give your skin a radiant glow. It can be used in its own or mixed with foundation for a more subtle glow. Now, many of you must have seen many videos of this being a dupe of Max Strobe cream, and to some extent it is true because this gives a very subtle glow on your face, and sometimes it is also compared with this Swiss Beauty Real Makeup Base, but these two are very different on its own. However, this will be a separate topic another day. Today we are just going to concentrate on this Lakme Lumi Cream. So there are actually 3 ways by which you can use this Lakme Lumi Cream. First of all, once you are done with your skincare, you can use this Lumi Cream as a moisturizer which gives a subtle highlighting finish on your skin. And if you are a no makeup person, you are going to college or you are going to office or you are at home and you don't like applying any kind of makeup, then this Lumi Cream will be very good for you because this gives a luminous finish for the day. Okay, so this is one way you can use it, and the second way is to apply it under your makeup. So for that reason, what you can do is after applying this, you can apply your makeup and you are good to go. Just I have applied my makeup today on this Lumi Cream and it gives a really, a subtle shine. I haven't used it, I haven't used any kind of highlighter on my face rather than this Lumi Cream under my makeup. And the third way you can use this Lumi Cream is by applying it as a highlighter after you are done with your makeup. So, if you want more of this shine to show on your face, you can apply it once underneath your makeup, and second time you can use it on your high points after you are done with your makeup. It acts as a liquid highlighter as well. So this is a cream based formula. This does not disrupt your makeup at all, like it does not move your makeup at all, and it could be used underneath as well as over your makeup. This was how to get a more shiny effect on your skin with this Lumi Cream. But if you are somebody who want a more subtle look, this is very subtle, I'm telling you, but if you want a even more subtle look, then mix a little bit of like 1 pump or 1 drop of this Lumi Cream with your moisturizer. Mix that well and then apply it on your skin. That will give you a very luminous, glowy, but very subtle and very natural look, as if of course you don't have anything on your face, and this looks really great on your skin. It doesn't have any chunky glitters, it doesn't have anything that strikes your eyes and you think that you have applied something. No, it is very subtle and very finely very fine cream kind of a consistency it has. In case you are using it all of its own, like you are not applying any kind of makeup upon it, then make sure that you are powdering your face a little bit so that it stays in its place for the whole day. Now comes the part where I share some tips with you about this Lumi Cream. If you have a very oily skin, then do not apply this Lumi Cream all over your face because that will give you a more oilier effect. Rather, use this cream sparsely on your face, on the high points of your face, so that the glow is maintained properly and you don't look very oily throughout the day. And for dry skin beauties like me, apply this Lumi Cream all over your face just to give you a very dewy and glowy finish. If you are thinking about your collarbones, how to highlight them, do you need to buy another product or not? No. If you want to highlight your body, use this Lumi cream as a body highlighter. This will give you intense highlight effect. You can put it on the high points like your collarbones, your shoulders, your hands and other parts of your body. If you want to purchase this product, the link of this Lumi cream will be mentioned in the description box below. And that was all for today. If you have any other question or suggestion regarding this product, then let me know in the comment section below. And if you want to grow that friendship with me, please comment anything that is in your mind in the comments below. I'll be so happy to interact with you over there. See you in my next video. Take care. I love you all and bye-bye.